UPSC means geography optional. If we look at the syllabus of optional, we have paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1, part A, we are going to deal about physical geography, and paper 1, part B deals with human geography. In physical geography, the topics like geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, biogeography, environmental geography. We have five topics in the physical geography. In human geography, we have perspectives in human geography, economic geography, population and settlement geography, regional geography, models and theories. This is paper 1, which we write for 250 marks. Paper 2 consists of physical settings, resources, agriculture, industry, transport and communication and trade, cultural setting, settlements, regional development and planning, political aspects, contemporary issues. This paper is again for 250 marks. We have two papers and each paper consists of 10 topics. So we need to cover 20 topics for geography optional. If we look at the question paper, this is paper 1. In paper 1, as we see, there are physical geography and human geography. So first, we have two sections in this paper. In that, questions 1 to 5 are compulsory. So 5 questions are compulsory. And remaining 3 are to be chosen. At least one question from each section. Let us see how it is. So the first 5 questions, this is section A, is physical geography. All the 5 questions here is compulsory. Most probably, we will get one topic each from geomorphology, oceanography, biogeography, environmental geography, and this is again geomorphology, applied geomorphology. Most probably from the geomorphology, climatology, environmental geography, oceanography, biogeography. Here we are given 2, 3, 4. 3 questions are given over here. Out of these 3 questions, you should choose at least one. At least one to the maximum of 2 questions. And you have to attempt 2A, 2B, 2C. All the 3 questions are compulsory to be attempted. Session B is related to human geography. Here too, we will be given 5 questions which are compulsory. Malthusian theory. This is population geography. The topic is population geography. The migration is again population and settlement geography. 6, 7, and 8. Now we have 3 questions, right? 6, 7, and 8. Here again, we have to choose minimum 1 to a maximum of 2. If in physical geography, if we choose one question, the remaining 2 questions must be attended from human geography. If we choose 2 questions from physical geography, we have to attend 1 question from human geography. This is paper 1. Now, whenever we attempt these questions, it includes both physical and human geography, which is present in paper 1. The strategy for these is, first we have to write the concept. Second is we have to draw the diagrams related to it. Third is the geographers and their research contribution, book, even theories proposed by the geographers. And fourth is a case study, which is nothing but an example, a real time example which we have to write. This example can be from India or from the world. This is paper 1. When we go to paper 2 is slightly different. We have 10 topics again in paper 2, right? 10 topics are present in paper 2. Now, there are 8 questions divided into 2 sections. Candidate has to attempt 5 questions in all. 1 and 5 are compulsory and the remaining 3 are to be attempted, choosing at least one from each section. Same instructions are given over here, but the first question is related to mapping. We have 10 points and each carries 2 marks. Apart from mapping, this is an India map. We have to write, we have to comment on these locations which are provided. Once this is over, we need to attempt questions. We need to attempt all these questions and these questions are compulsory. Right. The first question is mapping, which consists of 20 marks. The remaining 30 marks is B, C, and D. These questions are compulsory. And then we have second question, third question, and fourth question. Out of these three questions, we have to choose either one question or two questions. Then we have part B. The first five questions are compulsory. Okay. After these questions, we have to choose again either one or two. If we choose one question from part A, we need to choose two questions from part B. If we choose one question from part B, we need to write two questions from part A. This is the logic, the same pattern of paper 1, but the only difference is the first two compulsory questions are in the form of map pointers. So we need to prepare. The strategy for preparation is first we have to look at human geography and population and settlement geography can be dealt first. It is quite a large topic, but it is high yielding. Parallelly, if we go with this is paper 1. Parallelly, if we are reading paper 2, one can complete cultural settings, which is much relevant to population and settlement. You can read daily one resources because it involves a lot of factual places to be remembered. For example, if the question is on iron ore, you need to remember the iron ores, the location of the iron ores, right? So you can read one topic under resource every day. Political aspects, contemporary issues can be dealt easily, so it is not concerned at the initial phase of preparation. Once population and settlement geography is done, we could go about regional geography, models and theories. Then we can go with respect to perspectives. Perspectives is nothing but thoughts. And finally, we can read economic geography. When it comes to physical geography, the first topic which we can see is climatology. These are very low hanging fruits, climatology and oceanography. We need to prepare all the topics because there are 10-mark compulsory questions in each paper, right? So for those 10-mark questions, we need to prepare at least the topics which are present in the syllabus. We need to prepare all the topics which are present in the syllabus. And the third one is biogeography. Fourth is environmental geography. And the fifth is geomorphology. This order of preparation can give us high scores. So this is the overall view. This is an overall view of preparing geography optional for UPSC. Let us start our classes with population and settlement geography one by one.